Top 5 apps like Tokfundslive reviews that actually work today. Tokfundslive is known for investment tracking, but most people get this wrong by trusting unverified platforms. The surprising truth is there are apps that provide secure portfolio management, real-time alerts, and verified market insights. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, Robinhood offers commission-free stock trading with verified real-time data. Users appreciate easy-to-use interface and quick trades. Second, eToro provides social trading and verified market insights. Customers highlight transparency and global portfolio options. Third, Webull combines market data, news, and trading tools. App users love advanced charts and detailed research. Fourth, Fidelity offers secure investment management and expert guidance. Users report reliable performance tracking and strong customer service. Finally, Binance provides automated investing with portfolio customization. Users value simplicity and verified returns data. Pro tip: always use apps with verified market data and strong security measures. This ensures safe and informed trading decisions. These 5 apps help investors track, trade, and manage portfolios efficiently while minimizing risk.